The physics circuits, chemistry circuits, biology circuits. Circuit means the energy current which makes some unique happening as reality, which can be produced on any living consciousness, including Stavara and Jangama. In Hindu tradition, plants which does not move but grow, stones which does not move or grow, even all of them considered to be conscious. Frequency of the consciousness is different, but all of them are also considered to be conscious. The circuit means an energy map which makes certain happenings which can be reproduced in any living consciousness. When I use the word physics, I mean reality, means which is happening. Biology is the resource from which it is happening. Chemistry is the action or reaction which is responsible for this happening. You are manifesting a power. The power is manifesting. That is physics. The consciousness from which you manifest the powerful cognition, that resource is biology. You. Chemistry means when that powerful cognition manifests in you, the action and reaction which makes this power manifestation happen. Chemistry is the bridge between biology and physics. This is the definition of physics, chemistry, biology from the cosmic perspective. All happening is physics. All karana, reason, action and reaction for the happening is chemistry. The base in which both are happening, the resource is biology. Biology is not pure consciousness. It is like source which need to be replenished again and again, which is replenished again and again. The source which need not be replenished will be called as source, which is consciousness. The source, but not in its pure form, which is replenished again and again, is resource. All these three fields have been explored by our ancient masters, our great visionaries. Science of all these circuits only is our Vedas and Agamas.